such a mess. What was I thinking that was? Reverse. Forward slow motion super hard. Fast motion. Myself. My beautiful self. Oh, we're getting out of here, Henry. A lot of the walls are paper thin. Let's go, man. But what about myself? I can't just leave it. Who's going to take care of it? We're going to get back into the real world, Henry. Let's go, fucker, man. We don't got much time, eh? I don't really have a bag. They don't really offer those. It's cell jail.
Cell jail.
No way. My thing. Where's my bag? I'm 60 years old. Spanish. The Spanish channel. Tenemos unas cosas. Necesitas mis ropas. Por favor. Mis huevos. Freeze!
Yo, man, I hope you guys ain't trying to break out of here or nothing. I'm like a prison guard. I don't want you guys.
Yo, why you gotta ask me all these questions?
Because I'm like a prison guard and I got a gun and you don't. Like, you broke that wall and shit. I'm worried. You think you're going to stay out of the okay, don't shoot me.
Lifetime. Oh, man's world, bitch. What is a girl doing prison gardening anyway? Makeout channel.
Makeout channel.
Let me see. No, it's too big. History. You know, this prison was built before they knew about concrete. Back in the day that they built Alcatraz, they just hoped that it would be strong. Family Guy flashback.
It's like that time when we built Lego Land. Remember?
Yeah. Look, it's a turkey that can talk. That's exactly like that time. Homosexual goatee channel. Yeah, Trey. Woo! Yeah, Trey.
We are 30, but this is normal now.
Am I retarded? I mean, just to think we could break out of this prison.
Skip chapters. I'm fat!
You look great when you first walk.
Skip chapter. I can't believe you did that. You slapped Henry. You slapped me, I'm 60. Skip chapter. I'm 70 and you slapped me. We're never gonna get out of here. It's your fault.
Oh, we haven't been trying, man. We're just talking about all this and humping the skeleton all the time.
I didn't have any more bullets. I wasted all
QBC.
Partying. What? I hear that there's a way I can do something about this.
Yes. Your bones are made out of complete titanium. Perfect. Yes, perfect for bullets. You see, with this little contraption, you can make any bone material.
How much would I expect to pay for a complete titanium bullet?
You know, usually on the regular market, it's $500, but I mean, here it's $20.
Are you kidding me?
That's incredible.
Music go on!
I'm kidding.
That's wonderful. Baby.
Let's just dance, and we'll be
Let's just dance.
And we'll here's a
Naked music go on.
no, that's all.
After school special. We've learned a lot here.
I'm 70 and I'm still learning.
Yeah. And you know what? You should just do the time that you did sentence. That's the best way.
You know, you do the grind, you do the time.
Is that you should never even.
A romantic closing number. If I had not done that crime, I would have never met you.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God, poor Russ. Oh, my God, Russ.